In the game maze shown on the right, players start at point A and can move only right or down along existing segments. Determine the number of possible paths from point A to point B in this game. Okay, so we focus here. So from point A, how many ways can we get to this point? Well, there's only one. Same way here. How many ways can we get to here? Well, we can only go one way because we can only go to the right. We can't backtrack. So over here, there's only one way to get to that point, one way to get to that point, one way to get to that point. Over here, there are two ways to get to this point, either from this node or from that node. So we put a 2 here. Over here, there are 3 ways to get to here because there are 2 ways to get to this spot, and there's 1 way to get to that spot. For here, the only ways you can get here is from that spot. So that's 3. Over here, there's 3 ways to get to here and 1 way to get to here. So there's 4 ways here and then 5 ways here. So we continue labeling these nodes this way. So there's only 2 ways here, 5, 8, 12, 17. Then we go down. There's still only 2 here, 7, 15. Now that's a dead end, but we still are going to label it. 12, 17. Down here, we've got 2, we've got 9, 9, 21. So when we add 21 and 17, we get 38. And so that's the number of ways, the number of different paths you can get from point A to point B.